Hi everybody, I'm here for Catherine's Jamorama. You're not going to see me in the video, we're just going to have our hands here. I'm going to show you a nail application on only one finger, okay? So here we go. So we're going to take our tri-nail right here, and we're going to measure it up to a finger, and looks like it fits the ring finger really good. So this is how we apply a nail. We're going to cut this in half. First we're going to take our orange stick and we're going to clean up the cuticle. Now these are so easy that you can apply them yourselves. Catherine's never had a nail on before, so I'm going to apply her first one. So we've cleaned up the nail, we've pushed back the cuticle. We're going to take the alcohol wipe and we're going to wipe off all that excess oil from the skin. We've measured and cut. I'm using the orange stick. I've placed it underneath of the nail. I'm going to use a hair dryer because I've lent out my heater to someone for the weekend. It's warm enough. Going to apply. Add a little bit of heat. Pressing. Cut off the excess. And she just trimmed her nails today, so they're a little short. So we have a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle that you can file at. If your nails are really short, you're going to want to go at a 45-degree angle, not a 90-degree angle. And I was using a 90-degree angle. Let me tell you, this is easier to apply on yourself than it is to apply on someone else. I don't know how much pressure I can put on her without her going, oh, that doesn't feel very comfortable. Oh, a little bit more. I'm also working away from her finger so I can't actually see what I'm doing. And there we have it. It's applied. Done. Yay!